In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize diagrams in Confluence with Draw.io. We'll start by creating a brand new diagram directly on a Confluence page, and then I'll show you how to insert an existing diagram you've already made. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along in your own workspace. Begin on a new Confluence page. In the page editor, type/draw. This opens the quick command menu. From the suggestions, choose the option that inserts a new Draw.io diagram. You'll see the template picker. Select the basic category to keep things simple, then choose blank diagram. Click Create to open the Draw.io editor inside Confluence. Now build your diagram using the tools on the left. Drag shapes onto the canvas, resize them with the handles, and double-click to add text. Connect your shapes with arrows by dragging from the blue connection points that appear when you hover over a shape. If you need to adjust the direction or style of a connector, select it and use the formatting options above the canvas. Keep your layout tidy by aligning related elements and spacing them evenly. This makes the diagram easier to read. You can also change colors or add labels to emphasize key parts, but stay consistent so your diagram remains clear. When your diagram looks the way you want, click Publish in the Draw.io editor. This step saves the diagram back into the Confluence page. To finish, publish the Confluence page itself so everyone with access to that page can view the diagram. If you spot something later that needs a tweak, you can always edit the page, open the diagram, and make changes. Your updates will appear after you republish. If you already have a diagram and want to display it on a page, edit that Confluence page and again type/draw. This time choose the embed draw.io diagram macro from the suggestions. A dialog will appear where you can search for the diagram by name or browse. Select the diagram you want, click Select, then click Insert to place it on the page. Finally, publish the Confluence page so the embedded diagram is visible to your viewers. That's it. You've learned how to create a fresh diagram with Draw.io inside Confluence and how to embed an existing one. Keep your diagrams focused, use consistent shapes and connectors, and publish both the diagram and the page so your team can see your work.